Hey there. I want to talk to you today about something that can change the way you experience life. It's a simple but powerful method that can work for you in just an hour. If you're feeling stuck or wondering why things aren't shifting the way you want them to, this might be the key. I'll share something straightforward, and all you need to do is trust the process and take action. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. The idea I want to share with you today is simple: your imagination is everything. It's not some abstract concept, it's not just a way to daydream or wish things into existence, it is the actual fabric of your reality. The thoughts you choose to entertain, the feelings you allow yourself to experience, and the stories you tell yourself, are the very things that shape your life. It's all within your power. Here's the thing: you are always creating. Whether you realize it or not, your mind is working on overdrive to bring your inner world into your outer world. The problem is, most people are creating unconsciously. They don't realize that their thoughts are leading them down paths they don't want to go. The good news is, with a simple shift, you can start creating the life you truly desire. The first step in this process is understanding the power of your imagination. When you think about something, you bring it into existence in your mind. But the trick is, you have to feel it. Thinking about something doesn't make it real until you begin to feel it with the same intensity as if it were actually happening. You can't just think about success, for example, you have to feel successful in your mind, as if everything you want is already yours. The moment you tap into that feeling, you've entered a realm where anything is possible. It's not about wishful thinking or waiting for something to change externally. It's about using the power of your imagination to create the change you want, right now. So how do you do it? It's all about a technique I call mental projection. Mental projection is simply the practice of vividly imagining the outcome you desire, and allowing yourself to live in that imagined reality for a few moments. You need to truly feel it, see it, taste it, and experience it as if it's happening in the present. This can be done anywhere, at any time. It's not complicated, but it does require practice. You can start by closing your eyes and imagining your desired outcome. Let's say you want a new job, or perhaps more wealth or love in your life. Picture yourself in that situation. Feel the emotions that come with it. How does it feel to be in the place you want to be? The key is to become emotionally involved with your imagination. You see, it's not enough to just mentally picture it. If you don't feel the excitement, joy, or satisfaction of already having it, your mind won't take it seriously. When you feel that excitement, when you feel the sense of fulfillment, your subconscious mind believes it to be true. It doesn't question whether it's possible or not, it just accepts what you believe as reality. This is where the shift happens. If you want something, you have to believe that it's already yours. And when you combine belief with the emotional experience of having it, the mind goes to work to bring that reality into existence. It's like planting a seed in the ground. You don't dig it up every 5 minutes to see if it's growing. You just trust that, in time, it will. And it will. Now, let's talk about something that many people overlook. It's the power of repetition. When you repeatedly imagine your desired reality, it becomes more and more real to your mind. You create a new thought pattern, and that pattern influences your actions, your emotions, and ultimately, the circumstances around you. It's like programming your subconscious mind. The more often you do it, the more natural it feels, and the faster it begins to materialize in your life. The most effective way to make this happen is to create a routine around this mental projection. Carve out a few minutes every day to really focus on your desired outcome. Picture yourself in the situation you want to manifest, and let yourself feel what it's like. Don't just think about it, feel it in your entire being. You see, the universe doesn't operate on logic, it operates on frequency. The feelings you experience send out vibrations into the world, and those vibrations attract experiences that match them. So when you feel the emotion of success or abundance, you're aligning yourself with that energy. You're attracting more of the same. It's the law of attraction at work. but it works most powerfully when you use your imagination to fuel it. One of the most important things to understand is that time does not exist in the way you think it does. The past, the present, and the future are all happening simultaneously in the mind. When you imagine yourself having what you desire right now, you collapse time. You bring the future into the present moment, and in doing so, you align yourself with the reality you want to create. This technique works because your mind doesn't know the difference between what's imagined and what's real. So when you vividly imagine something, it becomes a part of your current reality. The more intense your feelings, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. That's why it's important to not only see the desired outcome but to feel the emotions of already having it. Now, there's something that many people struggle with when using this technique, and that's doubt. Doubt can creep in and make you question whether this process will actually work. But here's the truth, doubt is only a result of not fully trusting in your own power. The moment you allow doubt to control you, you are no longer in alignment with your desires. But the moment you trust in the power of your mind, everything begins to shift. So, if you find yourself doubting, gently bring your focus back to the feeling of already having what you want. Let the doubts fade away, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Trust that your imagination is powerful enough to bring your desires to life. As you practice this mental projection technique, you'll begin to see small shifts in your life. It might start with something simple, a new opportunity, a chance encounter, or a shift in how you feel about yourself. These small changes are signs that your mind is working to bring your vision into reality. But it doesn't stop there. As you continue to practice, the changes will become more significant. You'll start to see bigger shifts in your circumstances, your relationships, and your overall life experience. This isn't some magical trick, it's the natural law of the universe at work. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the outcome you desire, the universe has no choice but to respond. So, here's the challenge, try this technique for 1 hour. Yes, just 1 hour. Dedicate yourself fully to imagining your desired reality, feeling it as if it's already true, and repeating the process every day. Start with small goals, and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. The more you practice, the faster the results will come. This is not about wishing for things to happen. It's about knowing that they are already yours. It's about creating your reality consciously, with intention and purpose. When you do this, you'll notice that the world begins to reflect the changes you've made within. You are not at the mercy of circumstances. You have the power to shape your world with your thoughts and feelings. And when you combine that power with unwavering belief, there is nothing you cannot manifest. As you continue on this path, always remember that persistence is key. The changes you seek in your life won't always come overnight, but every step you take toward your goal is a step closer to realizing your dreams. Keep the faith, keep imagining, and keep feeling as if your desires are already fulfilled. The universe is listening, and it is always responding to the energy you put out. If you found this content valuable and want more insights like this, take a moment to like this video. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to share more powerful techniques like this one. By subscribing, you'll get notified whenever new videos are uploaded, so you won't miss out on any valuable information. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more about how to unlock the power of your mind, hit that like button now. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more inspiring content. I'd love to hear how this technique is working for you. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your success story might inspire someone else to start using this powerful tool to change their life as well. If you're ready to take your life to the next level, subscribing to this channel will give you the tools and resources to do so. And if you haven't already, hit the like button. This helps the channel reach more people who can benefit from these teachings. The more you engage, the more you empower yourself and others. Keep the positive momentum going. So, start today. Close your eyes, imagine what you want, and feel the emotions as if it's already here. Trust the process, and watch how quickly things begin to shift in your life. This technique is incredibly powerful. If you give it just 1 hour, you'll be amazed at the changes that start to unfold. Believe in yourself, and believe in the power of your imagination. You are more than capable of creating the life you've always dreamed of.